In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to register your business with ChatGPT. We'll walk through the steps together, ensuring you understand every part of the process and feel confident in setting this up on your own. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to Google. This is often the easiest way to access various resources quickly. Once you're there, you'll need to type ChatGPT into the search bar. ChatGPT is a versatile AI tool developed by OpenAI that's perfect for a multitude of tasks, including helping you with business-related queries. Once you've entered ChatGPT in the search box, look for the official ChatGPT website in the search results. It's important to select the official site to ensure you are getting the right information directly from the source. Clicking on this link will take you to the ChatGPT homepage, which is designed to be user-friendly and straightforward. Now that you're on the ChatGPT website, you're ready to start interacting with the AI. In the prompt field, simply type in a query related to your business needs. For example, you might type, "How to register a business." This allows ChatGPT to provide tailored guidance on the process, which can vary greatly depending on your location and the nature of your business. The AI is skilled in offering step-by-step instructions, relevant tips, and sometimes even links to external resources, helping you cover all the bases. After typing your query, go ahead and click on the Submit button. This will prompt ChatGPT to generate a response based on your question. Pay close attention to the information provided, as it will give you valuable insights into the registration process, and it might also highlight aspects you hadn't considered previously. And there you have it, the process of using ChatGPT to gather insights for registering your business. This approach not only helps you understand the nuances involved, but ensures you have access to the latest information tailored to your specific query. Whether you're just starting or looking to refine your business strategy, ChatGPT can be a crucial tool in your arsenal. Remember to always verify the information based on your specific local guidelines, as business registration requirements can differ quite a bit from one place to another. Utilizing a combination of AI assistance and local professional advice will help you streamline your registration process efficiently. Thank you for tuning in today, and I hope this guide on using ChatGPT to assist with your business registration has been helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful videos on business and AI tools. See you in the next one.